42 plus 40, 46. So, means very simple, the bat value will be decoded as 46. Are you understand, children? So, like you have to answer for coding and decoding. This is the most important and very simple. So, they will ask it as like so now you have to find immediately, just take the pen and pencil and paper. So, immediately what is swallow? What is the value of swallow? Find out what is the value of swallow when you give using the same coding system. Like when you try it, definitely you will get a very good practice. Okay. Now, coming to the another one is series questions. This is a very important. Children, already you are going to learn this concept in progressions. So, progression concept is a very important. Of course, we call it as the progression concept as sequence and series chapter also like. So, here the one of the most important factor is just some numbers will be given wrong, or some numbers will be of course, without giving on the series. You have to find it. If anything is given wrong, you have to identify, that is the first thing, and if anything is missing there in the series, you have to find out. These two kinds of questions generally they will ask in that. Okay. Now, coming to that, find out the wrong term in the series 2, 5, 10, 50 and 500 and 5000. So, here which will be wrong one? Can you imagine it that 2, 5, 10, 50, 500, 5000. Initially, you may feel that 2, a general sense. What is the reason? You think that 5, 10, 50, 500, 5000 are multiples of 5 and 2 is not a multiple of 5. So, simply you can say 2. Am I correct? You may feel like. Otherwise, another one will feel that 5. What is the reason? If you consider that 2, 10, 50, 500, 5000 are multiples of 2 except 5. Of course, 5 is not a multiple of 2, like we may feel that, but just observe it, it is a series. So, here each term of the series is a product of the preceding 2 terms, observe it, 2 5s are 10, correct, 5 10s are 50, correct. Okay. Next, what is the next term? 10 50s are 500, correct. What is the next one? 50 500s are 50 500s are, it is 25,000, but it is given as 5,000. So, children, it is wrong, understand. So, can you recall one of the concept like a very similar concept, this is called a Fibonacci series, and Fibonacci series means also here in general Fibonacci series is based on addition. This question given as in terms of simply multiplication. Fibonacci series is 1, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8 and 5 plus 8 is 13, like the series will come 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and so on. This is called Fibonacci, is very familiar this. So, in this Fibonacci series the rabbit system, of course, the rabbits are increased in this order only. Such a great example for live example for this Fibonacci series, and based on Fibonacci series just a modification, that question is just a modification, product of 2 preceding terms to the given number. So, anyway 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 like, sometimes they may ask the question, just observe it, you have to answer this question. This is okay, first one is 2, second one is 9, third one is 28 and fourth one is 65, and what is the next number, like they may ask it is 2, 9, 28 and 65, which number comes? Just takes a few seconds, say the answer, try it. So, start pen and paper and do the work. Is there any how to find this? This is the most important. Like so many kinds of questions will based on this concept only they will ask it. Okay. So, let me explain. Okay, listen children. So, 2 it is 1 cube plus 1, 9 it is 2 cube plus 1, 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 28, 3 cube plus 1, that is 27 plus 1, 65, 4 cube plus 1, 64 plus 1. So, children, which number will comes next? What is the next pattern? So, it is 5 cube plus 1. So, 5 cube plus 1 is simply you can say it is 5 cube is 125 plus 1 126, answer is 126. Like they may ask the question on series. Are you understand? Shall I give one more to your practice? Okay. Now, I am going to give one more. This is most important. This is okay. 0 and 3, okay, 8, 15, 24, what the next number? 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, what is the next number? Can you think about this? So, take fast, do it fast. I hope you are going to get the answer. Try it first. Okay, now come to this 0, 3, 8, 15. So, here are you using the same pattern 1 cube? No, it is a 0. Let me explain. So, 1 square minus 1, 1 square is 1 minus 1 means 1 minus 1 which is 0. 2 square minus 1 which 4 minus 1 which is 3, 8, 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1 which is 8, 15, 4 square minus 1 which is 16 minus 1 15, 24, 5 square minus 1 which is 25 minus 1 24. Then the children, what is the next number? The next number is simply 6 square minus 1, 36 minus 1 which is 25. Okay. So, like you can find the any value in the series. This kind of questions generally they will ask in the examination. So, I hope the children will do all these things. See, mathematics, you can enjoy the mathematics by doing mathematics. One of the greatest mathematicians said, okay, see, anyone science, social, other things they have a good application, we can enjoy the learning, but how you are going to enjoying by doing mathematics means here he said getting enjoyment by doing mathematics is nothing but getting enjoyment by listening classical music. So, classical music, so very important. So, here if anyone say classical music, what classical music, there are 7 letters sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, they will elongate so many times, it is called as a classical music. I can't understand, I can't enjoy by listening these things. Generally these questions will arrange it, but if you know the depths of the classical music, definitely you can enjoy it. And Dr. Balamurali Krishna, who is a very familiar popular musician, he used that thing in music therapy. See how great it is. So, in mathematics also, anywhere any greatest mathematics scientist or anything, just he has done some research work in mathematics. Without mathematics there is nothing you can say, and that is the reason mathematics is the queen of all sciences. So, so mathematics plays a vital role in that, and if you want to become young in the in your life, so you have to do definitely mathematics. That is a mathematical tip to all of you. See, ప్రతిరోజు మనం ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండాలి అంటే జనరల్గా ఒక యాపిల్ తినాలి అంటారు, లేదా ఒక ఉసిరికాయ తినమంటారు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్? సో దేర్ ఇస్ అ సి విటమిన్, so which gives the immunization to our body. Like if you want to become active and energetic, definitely you have to practice the mathematics. That is very important. So children, so practice the mathematics, be energetic, be young, and keep going on. So that is very important. So let me take another example for this. Here one more question is there. 1, 2, 3, 10, some number is missing, and 9802 is the next one. Okay. Find the wrong number in this series. Okay. So, find the wrong number in this series. So, here I am giving any kind of explanation to you, you have to identify those things. So, try it and try to get the answer. Now, I am going to the next question 3, 8, 15, 24, 34, 48, 63, which is the wrong number in this series, which is the wrong number in this series. Okay. 3, 8, 15, 24, 48, 63. So, just observe it. What is the difference between 3 and 8? 5, correct, good. Between 15 and 8, it is 7, good. 24 and 15, it is 9, good. 34 and 24, it is 10, okay. And 48 and 34, okay, it is wrong. And 63 and 48, it is 15, means with respect to one number, that is 34, the information was completely wrong, because 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, these are odd numbers. So, the series is increased within an odd number series. So, 3 plus 5 is 8, odd number, 8 plus 7 is 15, which is an odd number increase, 15 plus 9, 24, which is the increasing of odd number, and 24 plus 11, which gives 35, that is the correct answer, but it is given as 24 plus 10, which is 34, 10 is an even number. So, is it clear? For that reason 34 is not the correct number in that series. So, we can say simply 34 should be eliminated from the series. So, what is the correct answer there? 25 is. So, option C is the correct option to get them. Okay, now coming to the one more answer. Okay, find the wrong number in the series. Okay, find the wrong number in this series. 3, 8 already I said this is clearly it is given, and now coming to the choose the missing terms out of the given alternatives. Missing terms. Okay, alternate Z, S, W, O, T, K, Q, G, what is the next? Okay, yeah. So, definitely you can see that Z, S, so for that reason children, so maybe sometimes okay, there is a comment CCE, there is a comment continuous comprehensive evaluation. So, here the children is a major one, yeah. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Chepama. Please respond.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, children.
I'm CH Saujanya from RK School, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your explanation good and everything is good, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is there any books to know the model paper and also what type of books we have to read, sir?
Okay, okay. So, see for especially for math examination, there is a book series called as Upakar series.
Sir?
Upakar series is there.
Yes, sir.
That book is very good for the preparation.
Okay, sir.
And McGraw-Hill's book also is there. McGraw-Hill series book also there. It is also good book for preparation of math.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, ma'am. So, now coming to this once again these questions in series questions, you choose the missing terms of the given at alternatives Z, S, W, O, T, Q, K, Q and G. Now, when you arrange this, the given sequence of combination of two series, that is Z, W, T, Q, okay. So, then this is one kind of pattern, the region between these two, Z minus 3 is W, W minus 3 is T and T minus 3 is Q, means the difference between those four are simply as 3 are like. So, what the next number comes, definitely Q minus 3, which is N, means after Q what the number Q, P, Q, R, S, T, you know, so before that. Okay, then you can say what is the previous one, P, Q. So, next K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So, simply Q, O, P and like. So, that N will comes. In the second pattern, it is simply 4 S, O, K, G, so on, S minus 4 that is O minus 4 that is K, and K minus 4 that is G. So, G minus 4, so it comes as C. So, N and C is answer, of course, option B is answer. So, the children, this is a very important. So, you have some more concepts also. Definitely I will meet you with some other parts of SAT and MAT also. So, better to just these 2 sessions will give some idea to how to prepare for the examination. This is the most important. Once you have the idea, the examination is very simple. So, it is not difficult at all. So, time management, proper response, stimulated response, these are the essential qualities for this examination. So, when you timely respond for that, definitely you will qualify in the examination. So, I hope definitely in the after completion of your summative examinations, you have the Dasara vacations. So, prepare for all this and I will give some information to all of your schools also. Definitely that will help you, your teachers will support you to give the training about this NTSE, and after Dasara vacations, definitely I will meet you by this Mana TV channel, and I will guide you for the rest of the things also. So, of course, you are in serious preparation in summative examination, I can understand, but so my sincere appeal to all of the children. So, if you are unable to follow or if you have any doubts through this live program, just take a conversation with me, that will help you to understand these concepts. So, this is very important, children. So, anyway, so write your examination well and hope that your preparation will be highly useful for the preparation for NTSE examination. On November 8th is your examination. After most probably your schools will reopen on 26th onwards of October. So, definitely we will meet once again, and at that time when you have any kind of doubt in preparation of NTSE examination, we will share, and I want to make you enrich and enhance in all the exam kinds of questions. So, children, so I hope you listen well, you understand well, and you perceive well. So, thank you, and thank you for listening. Thank you to all.